Welcome to That Boat Racing Show. We're here to answer the internet's wildest questions about which boat is better at a race than the others. Pretty standard setup. We're gonna do a half-mile run, best of 3 wins. In this case today, we just did a half-mile run. When we could go out in the ocean, we're gonna do a half-mile, turn back to the start so we could see a little more maneuverability. Tell us what you got, what'd you bring out today?
So today I brought out my 21 Team Shadow. It's got a 300 XS on the back. We're running a 30 pitch Pro Max. It's been in the family since 1987. We just fully restored it. New transom, stringers, paint, everything. We're about to walk on this 21 team Checkmate today right here.
Beat your ass. You lost 4 fights. You're 40 years old.
Already talking that shit, calling them out.
We're gonna have a nice little, some fun out here, nice passes, get some drag racing in.
How much does it weigh?
This boat weighs about 2,800 pounds. I'm almost positive. It's a heavy boat. It's more of an offshore Class 7 race boat. She's quick.
What kind of numbers do you see out of it?
We see like, the best we've seen so far was 78. We just got a few new props to try on it. A few other buddies have theirs up to like 92, so we'll see what we're running.
You think we could spin it around and see the prop, show people what we're working with?
Yeah. We're running a 175 Sporty with a 30 pitch Pro Max. We brought some other props. This is our prop testing spot. Got a nice 28 chopper we're gonna try too. Play around out here.
What do you think's gonna work better? What is she like?
Pro Max is better for getting out of the hole, but they like surface props for up top, but they're very similar, so it's kind of hard to tell right now. We gotta play with it some more.
What do you got on the back? What kind of prop are you running? How's that?
So this is 3 motors. Me and him, Dylan with Palm Beach Outboards, we Frankenstein together. I've got a 300X power head on there, sitting on a 250 Optimax. The lower cowling, that's a 300X upper cowling. I have a mid off of an older carbureted 250, and then that's the lower off of a 250 Optimax.
Problems for a trouble
Earthquake.
Yep,
We're having an earthquake.
Yep, took my prop back from Nick here. Gonna go make some passes. This is a 1984 Reaction, fully restored about 2 years ago. Stringers, transom, everything.
Sounds like a lot of... Hoopla! Sounds like a...
Hoopla!
About maybe 85 today with this prop. See what we can do.
You think you're gonna run the Lake and Bay? You think you're gonna walk them?
No, I can't keep up with that Lake and Bay. That's the fastest boat out here today. I think I'll keep up with this Shadow. I might be a little faster than him today. We'll see.
Hell yeah. How long's it been that you've had it rebuilt Frankenstein? Like a year now? Yeah.
No, the motor, this is only our, I think, 3rd day running it like this. I had a 250 Optimax on the back. I blew that one up.
Holy shit!
Pushing it a little too hard. And this boat sat for a couple months, trying to rig it back up. I've been super busy with work and things, and it took some time, but finally out here and ready to make it happen.
How's it been running with it?
Today, so far, we've been great. The past couple passes, past couple times we've used it. Today, so far, I had my girlfriend on the boat, so I didn't want to push it too hard. But
we gotta take care of our ladies, right?
That's right. But I was pushing about 73, 74, so hopefully by myself, I'll push the trim a little more, and we'll see the 80s today. See what we can do.
Oh yeah, man. See what we can do.
See what happens.
Ready? I'm gonna tell him we're going.
Let's go.
All right, we're going now. Hold up. We're going now.
Yeah, I'll be going now.
Just idle to the drone. Like that. Like that.
you know it's time to thank our sponsors. Our biggest sponsor of the channel is going to be Boat Trader. Boat Trader is the largest online boating marketplace in the US, with millions of potential buyers at your fingertips, creating endless solutions to buy or sell the boat of your dreams. List for an only upfront fee, no hidden fees, plus all the cash after the sale is yours. Check out Boat Trader and their services. You can find the link in the description. Our next sponsor today is going to be Tideline Boats. They have one goal in mind when making boats. That's to make boats that integrate the superior dry ride of a catamaran while maintaining the classic look and lines of a classic sport fishing boat. You can find them by following the link in the description and check out their upcoming boat show schedule where you can see them in person and even schedule a sea trial and see how they run. Let's get back to the race.
You're running. All right. Yeah, let's get it. RJ walked me, bro. He's lying. He's in the 80s.
You crash! How are you coming fast? Why you fucking coming fast?
Well, he got the dig on that shit, so no, that was a long enough run.
When we just turned around, we hit it again for the hell of it, and we hit it way more square on that time.
you guys were close.
Yeah, that was way too much fun.
This time, RJ got the dig on that, so we're gonna get a fair even run, same time.
Oh, did he jump is what you're saying?
He jumped on me.
Yeah, so he called it, you jumped. If you're feeling froggy, jump. That's all I gotta say, brother. I'm gonna get out your face, brother, because nobody's jumping.
I hit it before he did, yeah. Definitely.
He still walked me.
We're really tight. Both our boats hopping on plane with all that weight in the back, so.
Still walked me, bro. Walking my ass.
Dude, I didn't mean to. I should have let you win.
You can trim up more. It's pissing hard.
I think so. I don't want to blow it up, bro. Now I'm a little scared, you know? I blew one.
It sounds good.
It sounds so good. This boat needed that motor. That mid's doing good, knock on wood.
Go slow. Get up on plane real quick. said go back there and we'll talk about it in a little more.
You guys are 1-1. What do you want to do? Make it a fair race.
What do you want to do?
That's how it is, 1-on-1. That's good. It's all good.
Need some more seat time. How do you want to do the third?
Same thing. I'll give you a little hit, I guess.
I don't need the hit. Same thing then.
Come here.
No hit. I don't need no hit. And then you can run 24 actually.
Get to do a battery swap. Bring up the drone in 2 seconds here.
I don't know what happened. It popped out of gear like red limited. I fucking snapped the throttle down, tapped the steering wheel. What's going here? I'm gonna try right now. Turn it off. You ain't pissing. What happened? I was just chilling, cruising, and it went.
911, what is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
Like it came out of gear.
Trim her up so we can see if you got shit in the, or start her up again. See if she pisses now.
I see oil and smell it.
Oh.
What? The lower blue? Alright, that's what happened.
Holy,
I can't see it from here.
holy shit, dude. What the fuck happened?
Blew the lower unit up.
No, the bolt flew out of it. Hole in the side of it over
Should I
here?
try to idle it? No, because there's no
I don't know what
piston.
happened though, how it blew like that. Holy
Why'd
fuck.
the wait? Like all 4 bolts are gone?
No, they're not gone, but yeah, you gotta go like that anyways. Did it break on your side too?
Dude, they came loose, bro.
They came loose?
Maybe we tightened them though for sure.
I don't think so.
No, I did. Definitely, yeah. That sucks.
All right, here. How am I gonna tell you? Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
That lower unit felt weird anyway. Kind of knew that was what was gonna go. Got another torquey. I think they were just such old fucking nuts.
We break away and disobey. We feel our sorrows fading, fading away. We got tonight to share the light.
Oh, I hope he didn't window another fucking motor.
I hope he paid for that one.
Spin them in backwards. Maybe we can bolt it back in somehow. Probably blew up the drive shaft though. I don't know.
Good race though.
It was a good race. We had 2 good runs in, bro. Telling you, the bolts came loose or some shit. I don't know how it blew apart like this.
Tightened everything up good. I think that the nuts must have they weren't locked. They're no good anymore. They backed themselves off. Ripping today, that's all that I can say.
Oh yeah.
It was a good thing I wasn't doing 80.
Oh, you're getting on plane?
Yeah, I was just getting on plane. Yeah, so I was chilling. So I hit it to catch up to him just to turn around when we were gonna line it up, and the motor hit max RPM. It backed off everything. Lower unit grenaded. It must have, I think these nuts managed to back themselves off, and when it fell, it grenaded most likely. It's the only thing I can think of.
Yeah, that shit's toast, dog. Sounds
Should have
about
just
right.
kept checking all the bolts. That would have been.
He needs
all right,
a sporty
but
on it.
Need a new lower unit anyway. Yeah. Stuff like this happens when you're out here. That's for sure.
For sure.
Boats
Get it
are
right.
a lot of work. There's nothing else that is like it. So
Call it a rematch.
we'll get a rematch.
We'll get a rematch in.
I'll be a lot
We were
faster.
pretty
with
close
a
that
different
second
lower,
run, so.
too.
Nah, that second run was a good ass race.
Oh yeah.
They were all good runs. But yeah, stuff like this happens. That's all.
We might be able to get it back in.
We'll try it. I'm all for trying it.
Who has wrenches on them? Anyone has wrenches? You got some, Randy?
19 or a 3/4.
We can maybe finger tighten it, bro, actually.
No, we need rims. I mean, at least put it back on if we can. At least tighten it up before we get towed back.
Yeah, maybe it just popped out of gear. We might be able to get us a run in still, dude.
No run, but I'll idle it back if it pisses and everything. Does it?
Holy shit!
Yeah.
Welcome to the shit show.
All the lower unit bolts backed out. You see it? He had a sporty on this before.
Yeah, he did.
Holy shit. I'm gonna get a video of this if that's okay.
Get it.
It goes in gear real quick. More?
I got a good video for you. I'll send it to you.
A little more. All right, crank it up.
Watch your feet.
Yeah, now it's pissing. Hey, see if it goes into gear. It's pissing. See if it goes into forward. No. Go reverse. Yeah.
That's it.
Badass exhaust though.
Oh yeah.
A gear flew out of it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Drop a comment of what you think we should race next. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, but if there's anything you guys can think of that would be a really good race, let's do it. Call them out, let them know we're interested. We'll come to you. Let's have some fun.